Hey there, it's Lisa Akia, certified career strategist and certified organizational coach. Today we're talking about how do you turn on the open to work feature on your LinkedIn profile. So, on your profile right here, there are two ways that you can do it. You may have right here a section that says show recruiters you're open to work. You may have to toggle down here to be able to find it. So that's one way that you're able to just click get started and a pop-up will come for you to complete it. If you don't have that option, the other option is that right under your name, you'll be able to see there's a section here called Open To. And then you click there, and the option you want to select is open to finding a new job. So that will take you to the exact same place where I just showed you. From there, you'll be able to select the job titles that you're interested in. You can select up to 5 job titles. You will be able to select the location type, on-site, hybrid, or remote. Then you select the locations that you're interested in. So you will put the cities and states or provinces that you're interested in working in. Your start date, you want to start work immediately, or are you flexible? You're casually looking, full time, part time, contract work, and then you'll select the visibility. You have two options for visibility. Option one is recruiter only. This option, you do not have the green banner that will show up around your profile picture. This means that only recruiters who have the LinkedIn recruiter feature, which is a paid feature that companies pay for to access this platform. So companies that don't have that, those recruiters won't be able to see that you are open to work. The other option is that all LinkedIn members will be able to see that you are open to work. And this is where you get that green banner that says hashtag open to work. Let's say you select that option, meaning recruiters, anybody on LinkedIn can see that you are open to work. You click save right here. And what happens is that you'll see that it shows up right there that you're open to work. And that is how you turn on the open to work feature on your LinkedIn profile. So as you can see, there's another pop-up that just showed up in terms of getting email updates about jobs or notifications. You can decide whether you want to set that or not. For now, I'm just saying no thanks. That's how you turn on the open to work feature. If you're someone who's questioning whether or not you should turn on the open to work feature, in this video right here, I share the pros and cons of this feature. I'll see you in that one. Take care.